if you haven't already, subscribe, turn on those post notifications and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you do it now. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. So today I'll be opening my Hatchimals Pixie. So let's get into it. So this is what it looks like. And then these are the selections that you can get. I don't mind all of them because they actually all look good. So yeah, it's really good. And also it has one big suitcase, one medium suitcase, and one small suitcase. So also guys, this also on the back, it reminds me of what LOLs look like. So yeah, and they all come with different accessories. So this one comes with a phone and a bag. This one comes with a bag and cotton candy. This one just comes with a bag. This one comes with a bag. And this one comes with a radio and a pretzel. Let's open it, if I can. Nearly there. Okay, so now that I've opened it, let's get the toys out. So we've got this little nice picture of one of the characters and one of the little pets. Then we've got this logo thing. Then we've got the instructions and the ones you can get. So let's look at this. So this shows what ones you can get and what they look like, and this just tells you a bit about them. It looks like they're going on holiday with their suitcase. So this toy comes with some stickers, some nice little stickers that you can put on the suitcase or on the dolls. And I'm going to start from opening the small one. So let's go. Okay, so now that we've got the little one out, we're gonna open it. I think this might be one of the accessories. How do we open it?
Stop it. Get some help.
So guys, on the stickers it has a... We tried to open it and it all cracked. And I think we're supposed to put it in water and then try and open it. But I didn't look at the instructions. So I'm gonna see who has a pink bag. New one.
I am the one.
I got this girl, I think. Only because she has a pink bag like this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited because now I might get a phone in one of the prizes. So, oh my gosh, I can't get this open. Let's whack it out. This one's big. Okay, so now I'm going to try and open it. Oh, this one's already kind of cracked. So this one opened kind of smoothly. Oh, okay. So now let's empty it. Yay! I got that girl because I got a phone. Well, a selfie stick I got, and now I'm gonna open the large one, and I think this is my girl. This one's just open. Guys! She has glittery hair and she has a pair of wings. Ooh, pretty. With a pair of pink glittery wings. So now I have one suitcase that I can use for my other dolls. Put a few things in there. Now let's open our last piece. Ooh. So it comes with this little heart. And then these glasses. So I'm just gonna get her ready. Guys, I can't get the selfie stick on.
Do it!
Ooh, okay. So this is what she looks like. She's really pretty. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can try to stand her up. You know what, the bag ain't working out. So guys, this is what it looks like. So this is what she looks like. Then a little bag. So yeah. I really like this toy. But the only thing is she's really small.
6.5 hours later.
It's most probably easy to lose, but the whole outfit and the whole look and all the accessories, I give this toy a drum roll please, 7 out of 10. So yeah, this toy is really good, but I just don't like how it's so small and how its wings are really floppy. So yeah, make sure you comment, subscribe, turn on those notifications and hit that notification bell. YouTube. TikTok. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up and turn those notifications on. Don't forget to go follow my TikTok, follow me, comment, like and share. And then on my Instagram, make sure you like all my videos and yeah. Comment down below when the comments are turned back on. If any of you make toys or make stuff or bake stuff, DM us or comment and we will try and get back to you so we can make another video like this.